Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies, and in today's video we'll be discussing about how to create a database from the terminal in Odoo 19. Usually we create the database from the front end. As you just move on here, we can see that we'll be getting the option to create the database, and we just need to fill out all these fields over here. Later on, to create the database, we'll be moving on with the continue button. But we can also create a database from the terminal. To create a database from the terminal, let's move on to the PyCharm. And from here, we have to choose a terminal. And there, I'll be providing a command. So I'll be setting the command over here. That's the Odoo bin. And later on, I'll be providing the database over here. So in order to provide the database name, we have to use -d over here. Afterwards, I just want to install the base. In order to install the base, I'll be setting it as -i, and we just need to specify the DB host. So in this case, you can see that the DB host is localhost. So you just need to specify it over here, and we have to specify the DB port. So here you can see that in the configuration, we have defined the DB port. So we have just given it over here, DB port, as well as you can find the DB user. So I have given the DB user as Odoo 90, and later on you can see that we have the DB password, which is given as cool over here, and you can see that we just need to create the database, and later on you can just find that we have the stop after init. So once it's done, which means when you just provide the command over here, you can click on enter, and you can see that the creation of the database will be taking place over here, and we just need to wait for a while. So once the database is created, you can see the database under the database list, and you can just choose the database from there. So what happens is that when you just provide a command and when you click on the enter button, what happens is that it connects to the Postgres and creates the database over here. So in this case, we have provided the name as testdb. So a database with the name testdb will be created, and this installs the base module. And currently we haven't provided any symbol that we haven't blocked the demo data or anything, so that will be loaded. And you can see that as we just provide the stop init over here, like stop after init, this exit after initialization. So once it's done, you can just move on to here, and we can just refresh this page. So you can see that we have successfully created a database from here. So if you just want to get into the database, you can just move ahead over here, and we have created the database. So that's how we manage with the creation of database from the terminal. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.